And you know, I have a hidden talent. I can crack my jaw.
You can?
I can crack it.
Try one more time.
I'm not sure if you can hear it, but like,
I can hear it. I can almost hear it. Oh yeah.
earlier, I cracked my neck and it was like,
Yeah. It feels good, huh?
my soul almost left my body.
Dude, come on. You're out. But dude, I don't like when people crack their fingers. It creeps me out. Yeah, when people crack their fingers, like, what are you doing? Get some vitamins or whatever. You're falling apart out here and I got to listen to it.